0 degrees is a very cold temperature. 100 degrees is a very hot temperature.
My temperature is 100 degrees. My temperature is 100 degrees. Now my temperature is a few degrees hotter.
Cough. Medicine.
When you have a sore throat, your throat hurts and feels dry. I have got a sore throat. Have got a sore cough. Cough. Throat. I have got a sore throat.
I have a bad cough, and my whole body hurts. Tea. Sore throat. Sore throat. I found this medicine on the table. Who has a cough? Sun.
Does Ben also have a high temperature?
Hundred.
Tom does. He's not feeling great today. Does. He's not feeling great today.
Do you have any medicine for a headache? It hurts a lot.
Do you have a cough? Do you have a cough?
I have got a sore throat. Has got a